Purdue civil engineers are shaping the world. From the communities we live in to the air we breathe and water we drink, civil engineers are constantly working to make the planet a better place to live. Civil engineering is a diverse and incredibly wide-reaching field that affects nearly every facet of our lives. Civil engineers are the creators of our built environment. They design our skyscrapers and stadiums, expand our harbors and ports, provide us access to energy, and ensure safe travel across our bridges and through our airports. Civil engineers are also stewards of our natural environment. They study weather shifts, ocean coasts, and wetlands to ensure our ecosystems are sustained. They work to improve air quality and ensure everyone has access to clean water. Innovation is synonymous with civil engineering. As the world becomes more digital, so have we. Civil engineers are designing smart, sustainable, self-regulating buildings. They are harnessing heat and vibration by converting them to electricity, and are designing roads that will charge electric vehicles. Looking for something a little more out there? Well, so are we. Purdue civil engineering faculty are spearheading the Resilient Extraterrestrial Habitat Program. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. Through this program, you'll break new ground in human history as you tackle how to establish and maintain colonies on other planets. As a civil engineering student, your coursework will be broad and diverse and includes a series of fundamental core classes made up of mechanical, thermal, fluid, and material sciences. And with most of these classes having a lab, you'll gain hands-on experience such as making and testing concrete samples, testing soil compaction, and testing steel strength. Outside of core courses, you'll also have access to over 100 technical electives, spanning 9 civil engineering emphasis areas. This allows you an incredible amount of flexibility to tailor your classes to your interests. These courses can include coastal engineering, where you'll study the coastal environment such as waves, sea level rise, and storms, as well as the challenges of building structures along the shoreline. In our Building Components and Systems Design class, you will learn the structural design process for buildings. This class will teach you about the relationship between architectural and structural drawings, as well as how to design floor and roof systems. And in our Public Mass Transit course, you'll dive into all things public transit. This interactive class goes over transit funding, scheduling and operations, and much, much more. But you won't be alone when you select these courses. In your junior and senior years, you'll be paired with your own faculty advisor so that you'll receive the best guidance possible in both course selection and academic pursuits. As a closure to your academic career, you'll take part in the Senior Design course, where you'll work on a real-world project. Past projects have included designing a new soccer complex, upgrading a highway corridor, and revitalizing a historic theater. In Senior Design, you'll be split into teams, tackle different facets of the design project, and communicate your final plan to industry and government officials. You'll also have plenty of chances to participate in our student groups and their activities. One notable project includes a canoe race where students design and build a canoe made out of concrete and race it against other universities. You can also travel the world and help communities gain better access to vital resources such as clean air and water. You'll also have access to one of the biggest annual career fairs Purdue has to offer, with more than 100 employers from all around the world, all of whom are seeking to hire Purdue civil engineering students for full-time, co-op, and internship positions. Once you graduate, countless career paths will be made available to you. You will immediately have an alumni base with organizations all over the world. Our more than 10,000 alumni work at many of the world's greatest and most recognizable companies. And chances are, through many internship, research, and co-op opportunities, many of you will have made professional connections long before you receive your diplomas. You will also have incredible professional flexibility. Because civil engineering is fundamental to building and sustaining communities, you can work anywhere. You'll also have incredible work environment flexibility. Whether you want to work for a private or public organization and collaborate in an office setting, out in the field, or a combination of both, your options for a position that best suits your desires are practically limitless. So stop by Hampton Hall and see for yourself how the Lyles School of Civil Engineering can help you build your own future so that you can build a better future for all. Because we are civil engineers. Together, we build.